Okay, so half guard happens a lot, so let's go ahead and put the person in a cradle when they get into half guard. His leg here, and you just stretch it forward and keep. They might think that you're trying for a Darsh or something like that, but show them something different, okay? So, half guard, okay? So, I want to try to get it to where I can get his, using the back of my arm, I want to try to bend his head forward, right? Then from here I can come underneath his head, right? And then from here, then I can grab underneath the leg, and then I want to try to do an S grip under, it's under my body here. You just can't see it, but it's an S grip. Okay, then from here, I want to just kind of close my elbows and get his knee towards his face, right, nice and tight. And then all I have to do is then just fall over to the side here. And you see how I've kept his leg here, and you just stretch it forward and keep your elbows nice and tight, and then they'll submit. Okay. If you want to know a knee bar, we're going to show a special knee bar from here. Real easy transition, but we're going to do that in the members only section.